Welcome to Night Hacking at the Java 1 conference. My name's Steven Chin. I'm the Java Community Manager for OTN, and I'm joined by Bruno Borges. How are you doing, Bruno?
Hi, Steve. Doing fine.
So we're going to talk a little bit about the cloud today. So how's the weather, Bruno?
The weather is pretty clean outside, so there's no cloud deployments today.
Nice cloudy day.
Yeah. We need a cloudy day to talk about cloud.
All right, that was some nice cloud.
So let's do an exception today.
Exception.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about cloud, even if the weather is like clean, but we can talk about cloud.
That's a good plan. Let's do that. Okay, so I think you have a demo of the Oracle Cloud. Are you going to show the Oracle Cloud today?
I can show a little bit, yeah. But I'd like to cover a few things before that. So I brought this deck that I've been presenting on my sessions.
Yeah.
It's a pretty simple question. Why should people move to the cloud? Why should developers move their applications to the cloud? And it's funny because the first answer that I got is scalability. The second answer that I got is like, it's faster to just have an environment provisioned. The maintenance, I'm not going to do that. Somebody will do that for me, right? So there are a bunch of answers that are like very technical answers. Why moving to the cloud? And it's interesting that all those answers, when they are combined together, they give a new answer, which is actually the real answer for why moving to the cloud. So scalability, maintenance, provisioning, time, all that, all cost, it's one of the last answers that developers think about, because developers don't spend money, their bosses do, right?
Yeah.
So developers don't care much about cost. Their bosses do. So in my sessions, developers are always giving the cost answer.
So as a developer, why should you move to the cloud?
So as a developer, the reason I would move to the cloud is because when all those things are done by a vendor, by somebody that is provisioning the environment, the hardware, the software, configuring, optimizing all that, I can take all my time and just focus on the application. All the time that I was like spending installing, configuring software, I can now focus on building the application, on my solutions. And that gives me like better applications. And I can develop faster and cheaper. That's the actual answer. So when you don't have to care about installing, configuring, optimizing, you just focus on your business application.
Just get stuff done. That's why.
You just get it done.
Just
exactly.
Stuff done.
So that's the actual answer on why should developers think about moving to the cloud. Not just about, I want to use this container cool stuff that somebody put out there.
Yeah.
That's just a means to an end, right? Developers should actually focus on getting things done as fast as possible and better. Spending more time on the quality. They have more time to test the application. So they have more time to fix the bugs and so on.
So this is kind of like having a shorter commute to work.
Yeah. So in terms of Oracle Cloud, one interesting thing that people wonder about Oracle Cloud is it a cool cloud that I can use? Well, the first answer is you can use, it is a cloud that people can use, but we are actually trying to solve customers' problems in the cloud. Putting our own stack, our own products in the cloud. So you're going to see applications, HCM, ERP, CRM applications in the cloud. We developers, we can focus on the platform. Now the platform as a service is the part that is really cool. This is where we're going to have database, Java application servers, Java containers, mobile integration, all that you can use to extend all the SaaS applications. So by using Oracle Cloud itself to extend SaaS, you are actually using the same infrastructure, so you make the best out of it. And you can develop fast. One example that I can show you is a new service that I just released this week here at Java 1 that is called Application Container Cloud Service. Used to be called Java SE Cloud Service. We changed names.
So this is the actual Oracle Cloud you're logged into now, right?
Yes, this is the actual cloud. We already have data centers on different continents. So I'm going to log into US2. I'm going to provide my identity domain. I have it noted here. And then I'm going to provide my login and username. my username and password.
Hard to type with one hand there. I got you.
So this is the dashboard that developers will see when they are working with companies that have Oracle Cloud
Yeah.
and they need to extend their applications. This is the dashboard they will access. One of the first service that they will access to is Developer Cloud Service. This is a service they will have access to source code, projects, manage the Hudson builds, everything they can look into, like they do with GitHub, for example.
Cool.
Right? So they can manage everything here. So this is a Spring Boot demo that I was building, and it's already there, the code. We can just look at actually live, running on the other service that is Application Container Cloud Service. This is brand new, just released here at Java 1 2015. So this application container actually runs Docker containers behind the scenes. We have this Spring Boot application that it was loaded on Developer Cloud Service, and this is the demo running.
So you're actually running Spring on the
I'm showing Spring.
Application Container Cloud Service.
Yeah, because
Cool.
it's application container. You can run anything. You can run Spring.
Josh Long would be very happy right now.
Josh Long will be very happy. I'm quite sure he will.
Yes.
I hope he tweets about this. That's the only thing that I ask for him. So we are not only like Spring. It can be anything Java server side. It can be Apache Tommy E. It
Cool.
can be Wildfly Swarm. You can do like Spark Java. It's a cool framework that you can just build REST services. And anything that you can start with a shell script actually, and
Yeah.
then fire up the JVM and you run anything you want. And last but not least, you can actually also build Node.js applications that you are already running.
I think you need to keep Spring Boot on the screen a little bit longer.
Yeah, let's make sure that Josh tweets about it. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show, that we are pushing Java in the cloud for anything.
Wait, go back. What was that?
Oh,
Greetings
from Spring Boot.
Spring Boot.
Thanks, Josh. Tweet about that on Oracle Cloud. All right. So I hope developers who have the chance to work with make the best use out of it
Cool.
and build the
No,
best
this is
extensions
exciting.
for the customers running on Oracle Cloud.
So, use Oracle Cloud, saves you less commute time to work, and makes
Yep.
Josh Long happy. That's a
Yep.
great sell.
All right. Thank you, Steve, for the time. Now, actually, I have a session to do with Josh, so that's why
That's why he's here.
That's why
Well,
he's here.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't know if I go with that guy.
He's cool. When you understand him, he is cool.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks very much for the interview, Bruno.
Thank you, man.
Have a good
Take care.
session.
Bye-bye.